Take a slow breath in. Hold it for a second. Now breathe out. That breath is not something you created. It was given to you. Right now, many people are alive, but they are not really awake. They move, they work, they scroll, they sleep. But inside, something feels empty. They chase money. They chase status. They chase approval, but they forget to chase meaning. Welcome to the Path English. Today, you will not only practice English, you will practice awareness, courage, and purpose. In this session, you will listen and repeat. You will speak with me using the shadowing method. So relax your body, open your mind, and let's walk this path together. Many people think life is only about surviving, paying bills, finishing tasks, reaching Friday. But you were not created just to survive. You were created to grow, to serve, and to become. Inside you, there is a voice, a quiet one. It asks, "Is this all?" And that question is powerful, because when you listen to it, your life begins to change. Lesson 1. Start with faith and direction. Every morning you wake up is a gift. Your time is a gift. Your abilities are a gift. You didn't design your heartbeat. You didn't order another day, but you received it. When you remember that, your life becomes lighter. Faith does not remove problems. It changes how you face them. Storms still come. Fear still appears. Pain still visits. But faith gives you something stronger than fear: stability. When you place purpose before pride, you stay grounded. When things go well, you stay humble. When things go wrong, you stay standing. Repeat with me. I walk with purpose, not ego. Lesson 2. Growth needs bold failure. Many people avoid mistakes. They hide from risk. They wait for perfect conditions. But nothing strong grows in safety. Failure is not a wall. It is a door. Every mistake shows you a direction. Every fall teaches your balance. Think about learning English. You forget words. You mispronounce sounds. You feel shy. But every error is training your brain. When you fall, don't fall backward. Fall forward. Use the pain. Use the confusion. Use the fear. Repeat after me. I turn mistakes into movement. Lesson 3. Discipline turns vision into reality. Dreams feel good, but without action they disappear. Discipline is not about motivation. It is about decision. You don't need hours. You need consistency. 5 minutes every day is stronger than one big day per month. One sentence today. One word today. One effort today. Slow growth is real growth. Discipline is the bridge between imagination and achievement. Repeat this with me. Small actions build my future. Lesson 4. Your value is not what you collect. One day, everything you own will stay here. Your phone, your money, your titles. They don't travel with you. What stays is different. People remember how you made them feel. They remember your patience, your honesty, your courage. Real success is not what you hold. It is what you give. A calm word, a kind action, a sincere example. When you help someone rise, you rise too. Let's say it together. My life creates value for others. Lesson 5. Gratitude strengthens your mind. Before checking your phone, check your heart. When you wake up, say, "Thank you for this moment." Gratitude is not only for easy days, it is also for heavy days. Pain teaches, failure sharpens, loss deepens love. When you say thank you in difficulty, you stop being a victim and start being a learner. Gratitude cleans fear from the mind. It replaces panic with clarity. Repeat with me. I grow through gratitude. Now, my friend, you didn't just listen. You practiced English. You moved your mouth. You trained your confidence. You are not memorizing English. You are living in English. Come back to this practice. Shadow again. Speak again. Grow again. This is the path English. Your life is short. Your time is precious. Your voice matters. Walk with purpose. Speak with courage. Live with gratitude. And remember, real success is not what you get. It's what you become. See you in the next lesson.